Welcome to this episode of Smash Engineering. Today, we're going to be changing a blinker bulb in a 2001 Ford Focus ZX3.
Smash Engineering.
Alright, so if it's doing this, as opposed to this, let's see if I can get them both in there. See how much slower this one is going? That means somewhere you have a burned out bulb. So I'll leave that going and I'll come out and show you. We'll look at the back first. Not blinking. So we'll go around and look at the front. See how it's blinking real fast? So that tells me, obviously, that bulb is good. And this bulb is bad. Alright, so first things first, you're going to pop your hatch. You gotta get... Come here. So there's a... I don't know if there's just one on this one, but there's a Phillips screw right here that you gotta take out. And then I think the whole thing pops out. So let me get a screwdriver and we'll take that screw out. Uh-oh. Wanted to break. Pops out after that. Good thing I didn't start pulling on this. I've never taken one of these off before, but it felt kind of solid, so I started checking around and I found that if you feel around on the inside right in here, there's, and this is the case with most at least 2000 year tail lights, you'll have these like wing nut that are like forever long. But you'll have that, and then you pull straight out, you'll be able to get to your bulb. And you can see from over here. You have your brake light bulb. You give this a little turn. Half turn or so. Not cooperating. And you can get to your bulb. Like that. And then to change the bulb, you wiggle it out. And you can usually look at the number on it. Or you can go to the parts store and tell them which one you need. And then put it back together. But I gotta go to the store and get one of these. So we're gonna head to the store now, grab one, and I'll show you how to put it back together. Okay, so don't take this bulb out. This is your backup bulb. Good to inspect it every once in a while or something. This bulb up here, you just turn it to the loosey a little bit. That's the bulb we're looking for. So that bulb is burned out. So you wobble it out of there. Boy, that thing looks kind of crispy too. And then this is a 3157K, so you can go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, wherever your auto parts store is, get one of these or order one on Amazon. But I suggest changing it because if a police officer gets behind you and it doesn't look like you used your blinker, that's grounds for them to give you a ticket. At minimal, a fix-it ticket, but some kind of ticket. So I'm going to head up to the store and get the right bulb this time, and I'll be right back. All right, so we got the new bulbs. Just comes, I got the peak ones, they're like $4.99 or whatever. 3157 bulb. Generally, when you change one of these, you should probably change both while you're there. What I'm going to do is just stick that in the glove compartment like everyone else does. But you want to try not to touch the glass part as much as possible. These, it doesn't really matter, but some halogens, it does matter. Whoa. Definitely don't drop it. Definitely don't drop it. That's definitely not good. Plug it back in, and then before you put it all back together, you can check it and make sure they're working like they're supposed to. unlock the door really helps. Alright, so they're all working now. Now let's put, just being clumsy today. Let's put this whole thing back together. Goes that way, so we're going to set it off to the side. To put it back in, you simply insert the bulb like this. Wherever it goes, that one. And then you turn it half a turn. And then these little pieces clip on to try to, I guess, probably to keep the wiring from getting caught up in things. Okay, so now I got both the bulbs back in. Make sure you put all these holders back in place. And then you're just going to do the reverse. Put the wing nut back on the inside. It'll take something like 20 years to get that all the way threaded on. The bolt back up top. And that is how you change your rear tail light / blinker bulb in a 2001 Focus ZX3. Alright, so with that, I double checked it. Everything's working great now that that's reinstalled. The blinker doesn't blink fast, so your first indication that you're having an issue with your blinker is if it starts blinking fast, or if you hear police lights behind you and they give you a ticket. But hopefully this video will help you catch it sooner than later. I know a lot of people don't necessarily know that when their blinker is blinking fast, that means that you have a bulb out, or you have a fuse blown, or you have a wiring issue or something. So I hope this video can help you. Remember, always try to help someone in need. And I hope wherever you're at, you're having a great day. And let's get ready for spring. Thanks for watching.